Hey guys, Salesforce is powerful and often overkill. Step one: understand who it's for. Salesforce makes sense if you have complex sales pipelines, multiple departments, custom workflows. Solo founders usually don't need it. Step two: set up correctly or don't use it. Wrong setup equals a useless CRM. You must define lead stages, automation rules, reporting logic. Out of the box setups fail. Step three: factor total cost. Cost isn't just subscription, it's onboarding, customization, maintenance. Cheaper CRMs often deliver faster ROI. Key tip: Salesforce is a platform, not a tool. Platforms require teams. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.